Yeah, hello guys. Today we are going to be doing WordPress installation, but locally and online. So now, if we are going to do WordPress installation locally, first we need to download our Xampp. You can go to Google. Make sure you are connected to the internet and search for Xampp download. So you can go to apachefriends.org/download. So we have different versions for Windows, we have for Linux, so and so on. So also let's download 5.6, which is a 135 megabyte. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download this. So when you click on download, you can wait. Can you see it's downloading? So after which you can start your installation. I have it already in my system. Now this is it. So you can run your installation. So you click on yes. Wait, it's loading. Can you say now? All you just need to is follow this instruction and install. But I have it on my system, so for you can install. So after your installation, you can search for Xampp. Can you see Xampp control panel? You can open it up. It's loading. Can you see it now? It's showing you underneath here. Yeah, can you see it now? So by default, I've set mine to start automatically. All you just need to do is click on start. So now let's go to WordPress download. Go to Google and WordPress download. So go to WordPress site and scroll down, click on the latest download. So can you see it now? It's downloading. Yeah, I got it done now. Can you see it? Downloaded. So you can open it and you have to extract this into your Xampp location. So how do you get your Xampp location? Just click on this Explorer. So can you see this is your Xampp location inside your local DC. Now all I need to do is extract, then browse, then let me localhost Xampp, then extract it in your htdoc. Open it and extract. You can show extracted when complete. is extracting. You have to wait while it finish extraction. While it's extracting. Yeah, it has finished extraction. Can you see WordPress? So I could rename it to the site I want to develop. Let's say X class. Yeah. So all I need to do is go to my web browser and say localhost/classo. Make sure the path is correct. Still, yep. Loading. Can you see English? So you can select your language and click continue. So you have to make sure all this information are available before you proceed. So now let's create our database and username and password. Okay, so you go to localhost/php admin. So good to go. So click on new. Our database class, so web class, so web. Great. Then I can go to my php admin, go to user account and scroll down to add new user. We are trying to add a user privilege, so let me say Mac, then local, that's localhost, then I can use so check on for the privileges and go. Yep, Mac has already been created. So now let's proceed with our installation. Let's go. So the database name is classo web. Then the username is equals database preface. Just make it a little bit difficult. So run the installation. Now it requires your site title plus enter. username plus test system. So put in your mail, and then you can do your installation. Remember your password. Remember, very important, and your username. Wow, WordPress has been installed. Thank you. Login. Okay. So wow, that's it. We have been able to install our WordPress. So the next thing is check a preview of our WordPress. Wow, this wonderful. There's the default front end of WordPress. So these are it is. So this is the administrative end. Let me just take you through on the administrative part. Here we have the dashboard, we have the home. This where you have the update. That's where you can update your plugin, you can update your themes. Can you see? You can just select and do what? An update. We also have post. Under post, we have all post, new post, category, tags. We have media. There's where all your images of media files, that's where it's being stored, like images, audio, videos. Then we have pages. These are all the pages. We have comments. Whenever a comment is being passed on your post, you see them here. We also have appearance. Under appearance, we have themes, whereby you can switch your themes. Let me activate this. Okay, and reload this. You will see the interface is different from what we have before. So we also have customize, where you can edit. We also have widgets, we have menus, header, background, editors. We also have plugins. Can you see? We also have users. Under these users, you can add new user, either as your admin, your author, your contributor, your editor. You also have your profile, whereby you can edit your profile to what you want. Okay, now you can also change your password. We also have the tools, whereby you can import demo content, you can export your content, and we have the settings. Here you can change your site name, your tagline, your email address. Maybe if you want anybody to register, then you save. Wow, so that's pretty much good. We also have some features underneath here. So in our next class, in the advanced training of WordPress, we'll talk about all these navigations one after the other. Thank you.